Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you discovered this channel, please subscribe and join my amazing family. Today I'm going to show you how to make this juicy bacon wrapped chicken which can be eaten with jollof, sweet potato, sweet fried plantain or as a snack. So for this recipe, you will need a blend of onion, black pepper and garlic powder, dried thyme and parsley flakes, paprika, chicken bouillon and salt. I took half teaspoon of each. Some shredded mozzarella, toothpick to secure the wrap, it's optional, 2 chicken breasts and bacons. Now I will cut the chicken breast in 3 parts. Then make a hole inside each part with a knife. It's time to season the chicken breast and let it marinate for 20 minutes. Minutes later, I will stuff the mozzarella inside each part and wrap them with 2 to 3 layers of bacons, and then secure it with a toothpick. This recipe came out so juicy because of the bacon fat. Mamma mia! If you're a foodie, you know what I'm talking about. If you're watching this video and you're not a subscriber, you're missing out. Please subscribe and give your girl a thumbs up. This is how it will look like once everything is well wrapped together. In a pan or cast iron, I will just add the bacon wrapped chicken without greasing it and let it cook. Once they are golden, I will put them in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes so that the chicken breast can cook through, and you're done. You see, it's an easy recipe. Also, do not forget to remove the toothpick. There you have it. Can you smell it? Yum, yum. This strawberry juice recipe is already on my channel. You can check it out. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Comment down below to show me some love. Share the video with your loved ones and thank you.